Hello everyone. So, dear friends, today I thought to make a video especially for all the aspirants who are preparing for UPSC Civil Services examination. So, this video will be all about just to give you a short insight into what UPSC Civil Services examination is all about and how you have to start your preparation. This video will be very much helpful, especially for the beginners. So, first of all, dear friends, UPSC Civil Services examination conducts its exam everywhere, every year, and there are certain things which every aspirant need to do, okay, before starts preparing for the examination. And I think the first thing which you all need to do is to read out the notification of the examination. As you can see, this is the notification of UPSC Civil Services Examination 2021. So first of all of you should go through the entire notification of the examination, because in notification the entire rules for the examination, the services which it offers, and the syllabus, that is the most important aspect of this exam, everything is mentioned very clearly over there. Okay, so I would like to recommend and suggest every aspirant to please go through the entire syllabus very carefully, okay, before starting the preparation for this examination. Now, dear friends, this examination is basically like a marathon race. For that, you need to really, prepare and work really very hard. And almost it takes a year, for the entire examination process and for the entire preparation, I can say that. Okay, now talking about the preparation for prelims. So the preparation for prelims and mains are not simply, separated, but it is done simultaneously. So you need to prepare the prelims and mains together simultaneously, so there is no any separate demarcation for that. Okay, now talking about what are the basic syllabus for the UPSC prelims examination. So when you see the syllabus, basically you will find that in UPSC prelims we have two papers. First is General Studies 1 and the second paper is called CSAT, that is Civil Services Aptitude Test. So in GS1 is basically the main test which actually plays a very important role, because if you qualify that test, then only you'll be able to reach to the main stage. Okay, so in that GS1, what you need to do, you need to be very very much focused, okay, about the questions, and you need to have a lot of mock test, so that is very important. So what are the topics basically in UPSC prelims GS1? So basically you will see we have the most important topics like the polity of India or Indian polity, and then we have history of India and Indian national movement. We have geography and geography of India and the world. We have economics, okay, or economy of India, and we have science, which is a very general type up to class 10th level. Okay, and then we have environment and ecology, that is also basically up to class 10th or 12th level. There is nothing much about that. Okay, so you need to be very thorough with these topics. Then coming to the second part of the examination, the second paper, that is paper 2 CSAT. There basically questions are like English comprehension or Hindi comprehension, or something, the questions related to logical and reasoning skills. Okay, and basically we have the questions related to general mental ability. Okay, so it is almost a very basic type of question paper. Okay, and one thing to note down is that paper 2 is only a qualifying paper where a candidate has to score 33% marks as a minimum qualifying marks. Okay, but the most important paper is paper number 1. There you need to clear the cutoff. So every year candidates are giving their examinations, so most of them they fail because they are unable to clear paper 1. Okay, so the most important thing to note down here is to clear paper 1. That is the most important thing, and your preparation for paper 1 must be done smartly. You must have done enough revisions before going to the examination hall. Okay, so what I would like to suggest you is to please be very thorough, okay, with the syllabus. Please be regular. Okay, please study it carefully. Okay, and if you are done with that, okay, if you're done with the syllabus, then you should make your own plan. You should make your own timetable, because that is very important to follow in this examination. One thing to note down, the most important thing is consistency, okay, in your effort. It's not like that one day you studied and everything goes well. It's not like that. So here this examination demands consistency in the effort. So give your consistent effort, everything goes well. Thank you so much.